Okay, hi everyone. Today I want to be explain about the problem in issue of debentures at premium. Today I want to be explain about a simple problem in issue of debentures at premium. Okay, look at the problem first. M and Co Limited 5,000 debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10% repayable par. 10% repayable at par. At the end of fifth year, the debentures were payable 20% on application, 40% on allotment, including premium, and the balance on first and final call. All the money were duly received by the company in due course. Prepare final accounts. Okay, very simple problem it is. 100% plus 10%, that is equal to total 120%, because 10% payable, extra payable, the 10% is to be treated as a premium. Okay, the extra 10% is to be treated as a premium. 100 plus 10%, that is equal to total 110%. Okay, right. Look at the board please. Application money, how much? 20% on application. Application money 20% on application. Okay, 100 application money per each debenture. 100 into 20%, 20. Next one, allotment money per each debenture. 100 into 40% on allotment. So 100 into 40 by 100, 40. Remaining final and first and final call. Remaining amount at the balance first on final call. At the balance means total 110%. Application money 10% is over. So remaining that 90%. Allotment money 40% is over. Remaining 50% amount. Remaining 50% amount is to be treated as first and final call money for each debenture. So 100 into 50 by 100, that is equal to rupees 50. So the total value 110 rupees collected from the debenture holder. Right, each debenture value 100, extra 10 rupees is to be treated as premium. Okay, once again I am telling that application money per each debenture 20% on 20%, allotment money 40%, first and final call 50%, 100 into 20 by 100, 20. Allotment money per each debenture 100 into 40 by 100, 40. First and final call per each debenture 100 into 50 by 100, that is equal to 50. So rupees 50. Total 110 rupees. Each debenture value 100. Premium 10 rupees. Okay. Let us see the general entries in the books of M and Co Limited. Whenever the application money received, so what is the general entry? You know very well. Bank account debtor to debenture application account. Bank account debtor to debenture application account being debenture application money received on how many debentures are issued? 5,000 debentures at the rate of application money per each debenture at the rate of 20 rupees per each debenture, being debenture application money received on 5,000 debentures at the rate of rupees 20 per debenture. Okay, so whenever the application money received on debentures, the general entry bank account debtor to debenture application account. 5,000 into 20. How much? 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Next, debenture application money transfers to debentures account. Next general entry. Debenture application account debtor to debentures account being debenture application money transfer to debentures account. Transfer to debentures account. What is application money? It is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. So for application part, 2 general entries is required. What are they? First, when application money received, bank account debtor to debenture application account. When application money transfers to debentures account, debenture application account debtor to debentures account. Okay, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Next general entry, allotment money due. Debenture allotment account debtor to debentures account being allotment money due on 5,000 debentures at the rate of 40 debenture. But look at that, premium money included in this debenture. So rupees 30 is allotment and 10 rupees is to be treated as a premium. So the general entry is debenture allotment account debtor to debentures account 5,000 into 30 to debenture premium account. 5,000 into 10. 5,000 into 30, 1,50,000. 5,000 into 10, how much? 50,000. Total allotment money due 2 lakhs including premium. Once again I am telling that allotment money for each debenture 100 into 40%, 40 rupees. Okay, so extra 10 rupees amount of premium included in the allotment money. So 40 minus 10, rupees 30 is to be treated as a allotment money, 10 rupees is the premium money. So debenture allotment account debtor to debentures account to debenture premium account being allotment money due on 5,000 debentures at the rate of 40 per debenture including premium. Next one, what is the next general entry? Allotment money received. What is that? General entry is bank account debtor to debenture allotment account being allotment money received. How much it is? 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. Next one. First and final call amount due. You know very well. What is the general entry? Debenture first and final call account debtor to debentures account. When first and final call amount received, bank account debtor to debenture first and final call account. Okay. First one. First and final call amount due. Debenture first and final call account debtor to debentures account, being first and final call due on 5,000 debentures at the rate of first and final call per each debenture. How much? 50. 50 per debenture. So 5,000 into 50, 2,50,000. 2,50,000. Next one. When first and final call amount received, when first and final call amount received, what is the general entry? Bank account debtor to debenture first and final call account, being first and final call money received. How much? 2,50,000. 2,50,000. Once again, bank account, when application money received, bank account debtor to debenture application account, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Second one, debenture application account debtor to debentures account. When debenture application money transfers to debentures account, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Next one, when allotment money due, debenture allotment account debtor to debentures account to debentures premium account. Okay. Next one, when first and final call amount, when debenture allotment amount received, bank account debtor to debenture allotment account. Next, when first and final call amount due, debenture first and final call account debtor to debentures account. Next, when first and final call amount received, bank account debtor to debenture first and final call account. So these are all the general entries in the books of M Company Limited. Let us see the next one, ledger posting. Important ledger accounts, how do we prepare? Like this. Okay, first one, debentures account. First one, debentures account. So look at the second general entry. What is that? Debenture application account debtor to debentures account. So by debentures application account, how much? 1 lakh. Second one, debentures allotment account debtor to debentures account to debentures premium account. So by debenture allotment account. Okay, How much? 1,50,000. Okay, look at this. Two debentures, 1,50,000. Next one. Debenture first and final call account, it are to debentures account. So, by debenture first and final call account, what is that amount? It is 2,50,000. Total 5 lakhs. 2. Balance carried down 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs by balance brought down 5 lakhs. Once again I am telling this. Debenture application account, it are to debentures account by debenture application account. Next one, debentures allotment account, it are to debentures account to debenture premium account. In debentures account by debenture allotment account 1,50,000. Next one, debenture first and final call account, it are to debentures account by debenture first and final call account. How much? 2,50,000. Okay, total 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. Next one, bank account. Bank account. Bank account, it are to debenture application account. So, to debenture application account. How much? 1 lakh. Next one, bank account, it are to debentures allotment account. Okay, to debenture allotment account. How much? 2 lakhs. Next one, bank account, it are to debenture first and final call account. So, debenture first and final call account. How much? 2,50,000. 2,50,000. Total 5,50,000 by balance carried down 5,50,000. 5,50,000 to balance brought down 5,50,000. This is the bank account. First one, bank account, it are to debenture application account 1 lakh. Next one, bank account, it are to debentures allotment account 2 lakhs. Next one, bank account, it are to debenture first and final call account 2,50,000. Total 5,50,000. 5,50,000. Next one, debentures premium account. Another important ledger account is debenture premium account. So, what is the general entry? It is debenture allotment account, it are to debenture account to debenture premium account by debenture by debenture allotment account. By debenture allotment account. How much? Look at this, 50,000. 50,000 to balance carried down 50,000. 50,000 by balance brought down 50,000. Okay, these are all the important ledger postings in M and Co Limited. Look at this. Debentures account shows the credit balance, so it is the liability. Liabilities are credit, assets are debit, you know very well. Bank account shows the debit balance, so it is the asset. Next one, another important one, debenture premium account shows the credit balance, it is the liability. Okay, let us see the balance sheet of M and Co Limited. Balance sheet of M and Co Limited. Particulars. Note number, amount. Roman number 1, equity and liabilities. Equity and liabilities. Under the head of equity and liabilities, first one, shareholder funds. Under this, A, share capital. There is no information regarding share capital in this problem. Dash. Next one, B, reserves and surplus. Under this, debenture premium account shows the under the head of reserves and surplus here. So, debenture premium account. How much? 50,000. Second one, non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. Debentures are long-term liability. That's why non-current liabilities. Debentures account. How much? 50 lakhs. Next one, third one. Current liabilities. Nil. So, equity, shareholders funds. Equity shareholders funds means here, shareholders funds means here equity and liability. Only there is no, sorry, shareholders funds means here share capital plus reserves and surplus. There is no share capital amount, dash. So, reserves and surplus amount 50,000. So, the total 50,000 distributed as a shareholders funds. Non-current liabilities, debentures 5 lakhs, current liabilities nil, total 5 lakhs 50,000. Next one, assets. First one, non-current assets nil. Second one, current assets. Look at this, bank account. How much? 5 lakhs 50,000. Total 5 lakhs 50,000. These are all equity and liabilities. This one is assets. Assets equals to liabilities. So equity and liabilities are categorized three parts. One is shareholders fund, second one is non-current liabilities, third one is current liabilities. Shareholders funds are categorized to share capital, reserves and surplus. Share capital dash reserves and surplus. Okay, debentures premium account 50,000. So total equity shareholders funds 50,000. Non-current liabilities, debentures are treated as a long-term liabilities. So that's why non-current liabilities, debentures 5,50,000. Okay, so total equity and liabilities 5,50,000. Assets, non-current assets nil. Current assets, bank account is to be treated as a current asset. So 5,50,000 total. Total of assets 5,50,000. Total of liabilities 5,50,000. Assets equals to liabilities. So this is the simple problem at the time of debentures issued at